Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we are here with Charlie, who's not too happy with us. He's very...
With you.
And we are unboxing a beautiful big box from the new collection, Love Linen.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, pour yourself a coffee or an espresso and
I was going to say a glass of wine, but
glass
maybe it's
of wine.
too early.
Maybe it's too early. And sit back and enjoy. It's an amazing array of beautiful pieces.
Yeah, lots of different pieces in this
can't
box.
wait to show you.
And love your outfit. Look at you.
Cute, eh?
We're kind of black and white, white and black.
We pick and style different at different hours, so this is all coincidental.
Yes, but who's wearing it better, ladies?
Oh, now it's a competition.
I'm joking. I do love the teal that you popped in there.
Thank you.
I'm surprised. I was thinking of red, a red pop,
Yeah.
which I'm surprised none of us have done because we love that.
We always do that.
With black and white.
I was
But
thinking out of
beautiful.
the box. This is Gershon and Brown.
Gershon and Bram,
Yeah.
Alembica,
Alembica.
and look at the two together
Oh,
go perfectly. It is the
Alembica,
comfiest
beautiful.
dress. Nice angel.
Yeah.
Soriglio, Soriglio.
Yeah.
And you don't have any earrings in. You have to put that in. All right. The beautiful earrings you picked. Okay, let's get on to this. She's gonna hoof me with a shoe or something. I hope there's no shoes over there.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, ladies. All right, this is gonna be your favorite, Mom.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cute.
Look at that.
Adorable.
Isn't that amazing?
Adorable.
Cute little linen jacket.
Oh.
Great polka dots,
Great,
ladies.
with black, white.
Can't wait to style that one up.
Oh, love.
Love it. All
Yeah.
100% linen.
Yeah. All made in Italy.
I feel like it's all pre-washed as well. It feels like it
got
anyways.
that feel to it.
Yeah.
Eh?
Oh, this was one of my favorites too. Look at this, ladies.
Oh, that
Beautiful.
is gorgeous. Is this cut in the bias? Yes,
Yes, it is. Pockets.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Here, I'll move
Tessa.
the box and then you can see
And
it
what
better.
a nice teal blue.
Yeah, beautiful
polka
gray.
dots.
It's a charcoal.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Correct me on my color commentary.
Well, it's
Oh.
teal blue.
But this will fall
Beautifully.
because of the bias cut. Right?
And look at another gorgeous color.
oh, wow.
Ladies,
Fantastic.
brown. We don't have brown
No.
often, but we only pick brown when it's a beautiful chocolate.
Yeah.
And this is a
cappuccino.
beautiful chocolate. And look, to go over those beautiful dresses,
Oh,
a little
nice
raw
little
edge
short
jacket.
boxy jacket.
Yeah, I thought of you.
Very nice. You
look
can
at the
never
raw-
have enough of these lovelies in the summertime.
Yeah, and it
And-
fits wonderful.
It's so cute
Raw
with the
edge.
fraying.
I know.
Really cute. Tessa.
White as well.
Look how nice this is over that, you know?
Yeah, so all these pieces are
Over-
going to kind of
over
mix
both of them.
together.
This is such an artsy look, that dark linen in
Yeah.
the summer.
Yeah.
It's very artsy.
Very beautiful. We'll do a few days of style
Oh,
videos
this is
for you
nice
ladies
too.
just to see it
Very
on.
nice. This is a
Gorgeous.
small. It's not too small.
No,
nice.
it's nice. I
Yeah.
believe it goes, some are extra small, but it goes to extra large.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is fun.
Whoa.
So who doesn't love a beautiful shirt dress?
Shirt dress. Gorgeous.
Linen shirt dress.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Nice pockets.
Pockets. You can
Easy
wear
peasy.
open as a duster if you like.
Yeah.
Gorgeous mustardy. Well, what would you call that?
An,
Cognac.
Yeah.
Cognac.
That's perfect.
All right. All right, ladies. Here we go. Blue with navy blue.
In the, nice.
Great.
Nice.
It's
Really
gorgeous.
Nice. Yes.
Yeah, I love these easy dresses in the summer.
Yeah.
Linen is such a beautiful fabric to wear in the summer. It's so light. And then this is a great, also a nice little
Cover up.
cover
right?
up, like a little cardi.
A little cardi.
Yeah.
Like a little shawl. Very nice.
Be great over
Swingy.
those dresses too. Nice
Too.
swing, yeah.
Totally.
And then I believe there is here, there's a navy to go over the navy dresses. Sorry,
Oh.
I meant the polka dot dresses here,
Yeah,
Mom.
yeah. But it's nice over this one too, no?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is. Those are navy
Oh,
though.
this is navy.
Yeah, that's navy.
Oh,
So
that's
here
right.
we got
I
a
got you. Sorry.
got a navy one to go to.
Wow, that is
Isn't that beautiful? It picks up that deep navy.
Beautiful.
Yeah, really nice. I'd like to style those up.
And this too. Oh yeah, very
Yeah,
nice.
Beautiful.
Okay.
And then in black, and then we did also a natural color,
Beautiful.
a sand. So you can never go wrong with these pieces, right?
No. Oh my goodness.
Wear them over
Look how
everything.
that- And you know what is
Yeah.
nice?
Yeah.
It's fitted in the back. I love it. The lines, right?
Yeah,
And then in the front you've got that swingy opening.
gorgeous.
Swing, swing.
Beautiful.
You can wear it to one of our jazz nights.
Yeah. We just went to 13th Street. We should show the pictures
We should.
of the art exhibit. We took a picture together.
Oh, what a beautiful place, lovelies. If you're from this area, I'm sure you know about it. 13th Street Winery. If you're not, pay a visit.
All right, ladies, here is a pair of linen pants.
Oh, look how unique this is.
Yeah, really nice fit, elastic, thicker band, which
Great.
is really nice.
Nice cuff.
Pockets,
With the button.
gorgeous.
Very cute.
In a nice slate gray. Would you say that's a slate gray?
That's what it is.
So there's a beautiful top to match.
Oh,
Look at this.
get out.
Cowl neck top.
Oh, Tessa, I love
know, this is beautiful.
together.
I
Look
know.
at this.
I know. And then you could put the black
Oh, the black swingy jacket over
it. So that's a beautiful outfit.
That would be nice to style.
Really nice. And then the pants came also in black and white we got, because
Nice.
of course you need to have
Of
the
course.
staples. But we also have our jazz pants from Lousje and Bean you could wear. If you have them already, you could wear it with that top.
For sure.
But
Anything
if you
from
want a
Catharines.
nice light linen pant, these
Very
are really
light,
nice and light.
Very light fabric.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Beautiful.
I know.
Beautiful.
Very pretty. And then these are super cool. I thought of you, Mom, when I bought these, but look at how fun are these?
Oh, yeah. Oh, they've
The
got a little,
stripes.
and a little seersucker going on.
Little seersucker going on. Great. Look at the back here, little
oh,
band.
a little yoke.
And the bottom,
Cute.
adorable.
So these would
Very
be
funky.
hitting you right here, I
Yeah.
would say, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
3/4.
3/4. Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
Feels very nice too. Nice
I
and
know,
soft.
nice, yeah.
Yeah.
And I love this. The
The string.
yeah,
Wow.
beautiful pant. And then to go with the pant,
Oh.
we have a white,
Oh, what a nice shirt. With a
gorgeous little
cuff and a
cutie.
cap sleeve.
Yeah,
Little pleats in the back. Two different types of linen. This is like a little bit of an open weave. Oh yeah.
and then the band has the knit. Eh?
The knit, right?
Yeah.
And the cuff, and here the open weave too. But
A
what
little
a
high-low.
summer outfit this is!
I
You know,
I know.
this smack summer, and then
I
that
know.
is the
And then this is also, you could wear this with the pant. It's
this
matching.
can go too.
Yeah.
Right? Oh,
Cool,
look
eh?
how cute is this!
I know. Some nice outfits.
Wow,
Some
lovely.
great outfits. And then lastly, but not least, the most cutest,
is
little
that?
top.
Oh,
You could pair this over the white pants.
oh, adorable!
You
With this
know?
open little applique. Right?
Yeah, and then with the polka dot linen in the middle, which is so
very,
cute.
very cute.
Nice fit.
How
Nice.
is this sized? Oh, it is sized small, medium,
Yeah,
large,
it's
extra
a nice.
large.
It's a little bit, yeah, up to extra large, and it's a little more of a generous fit
This is nice too, Tessa. They finished it with,
with the
with the
t-shirt.
t-shirt fabric.
Yeah, I love that.
Me too.
All those details.
Yeah,
Because it's
very
gonna
nice.
curl nicely, yeah, on the bottom
Yeah.
too.
And the
High,
more
low.
you wash it, the better it gets, right?
Yeah, so we have it in 3 beautiful colors.
Oh, that's nice too. This with white, you know.
Look at navy, nice navy.
Beautiful.
And then it matches that cardigan too. And then this
True.
also matches the cardigan,
Oh yeah.
you know, out of the
Oh,
natural
yeah.
cardigan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful summer linen
Wow,
pieces.
lots of combinations, eh?
I
you can
know,
do.
this was
Yeah.
a big order.
It certainly was.
Yeah, we can't wait to style it up for you in the next few days.
Yeah, we're
It'll be
gonna have some
beautiful.
fun.
Yeah, it'll be awesome. All right, ladies. Well, we hope you enjoyed our little unboxing of Love Linen that just landed in the boutique. I guess actually Love Linen, the collection with the polka dot pants last season, was
That's
a part
right.
of the Love Linen brand.
That's right. Yeah.
This is the summer version. E-Crew, I believe, is the same. They're sister
Same-
companies.
I see.
Yeah, so watch out in the next few days. We're going to style them out. Lucia's going to do our thing.
Okay, lovelies. Please like and subscribe to our videos and give us a thumbs up. And as always, keep on smiling.